Hello everyone, Rama this side. Today we will discuss some more shortcuts. Okay, so let's start. So the first thing which I'll tell you is the difference between the backspace and the delete. Most of the students thinks that the backspace and the delete is same, but they are different and their working is also different. Suppose my cursor is here before this cover word is blinking here and I want to delete something from the left hand side. So I'll press the backspace key. As you can see, it is deleting the characters from the left side. Okay, but now suppose I'm here, my cursor is here before when, and I want to delete the letters or the sentences that is written after this backspace. Now I can press this delete key and now you can see the letters or the characters are deleting from the right hand side. Okay, so this is the main difference between the backspace and the delete key. Backspace will delete the data which is left to the cursor and the delete key will delete the data which is right to the cursor. So this is the main difference. So now the shortcut is, as we have done so many word shortcuts in the last video, so now here we are having control X, Y and Z. Okay, so first of all, control X. Control X stands for cut the data. Control X, suppose I have selected this much data and I am pressing Control X from the keyboard, it will delete this text. And now suppose I want this text in a new file, so I'll open a new file and I have pasted here. Again with the cut, I'll use Control V for the paste. Control C, X and V will work together. Okay, so this is Control X and Control V. Next is Control Y and Control Z. Control Z is for undo. Undo means whatever work I have done now, I want it back. Okay, so I have just cutted the data, cut the paragraph. I have cutted the paragraph from here. Now I want that paragraph again. Again, now I am pressing Control Z from the keyboard and my paragraph will be back. Whatever work I have done, I want it back. Okay, suppose by mistake I have deleted some task or by mistake I have deleted some files or something, so I can do undo. That means undone. Whatever work I have done now, I just want to recover that, I just want to reverse of that. So you can press Control Z. Now Control Y. Control Y is redo. Redo means whatever work you have done now, you want to repeat it. Okay, suppose I have typed a letter R from the keyboard. Now I want to repeat it. Okay, so you can press Control Y. See here, I am not pressing R, I am pressing Control Y. Okay, so this is Control Y to repeat your work, and Control Z is whatever you have done to reverse that. So this is Control X, Y, Z and V. Now some shortcut from your web browser. We have done 2 or 3 last time also, and this time also I am doing. So suppose I want to open Facebook. Okay, so many of the students, what they will do, they will type https complete like this. Okay, colon then / and write the complete address. But this is not the good way. Being a computer student, you need to know the shortcuts. Suppose I have write here Facebook. Direct type the website name Facebook and type Control Enter from the keyboard. It will directly take the full address itself. You can see here https www.facebook.com. It will directly take it. Another example, you can see here it is open. Okay, next is suppose I want to open Gmail. So just type Gmail, nothing else you have to type, just press Ctrl Enter from the keyboard and it will take the complete address itself. You can see here Facebook is opened here, and now it will take time, it's taking time. So just wait for 10 seconds and Gmail will be opened, as you can see here. Okay, so this is again the shortcut. One more shortcut we will discuss here, how to take a screenshot from the keyboard. As you all know, in your phone it is really easy. Okay, now we will do on a computer or on a laptop how to take a screenshot. So first, whatever screen you want to take the screenshot, that open that screen. Suppose I want to take the screenshot of this desktop, so I'll press shift print screen from the keyboard. And okay, and now open your Paint, Word, Excel, whatever, wherever you want to paste it. So I am opening Paint, and for pasting, all of you know, Control V is the shortcut. So here you can see the desktop. Okay, here you can modify your desktop. Suppose whatever you want to do. So in this way, you can take the screenshot of your screen by pressing Shift Print Screen and then paste it wherever you want, in Word, Excel, PowerPoint, or in Paint, wherever. Suppose here I'll paste it. See here, my desktop will here in this MS Word file. Okay, so that's it for the day. Revise these shortcuts. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.